Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in crafting tools and accessories. Today, we have something that will revolutionize your crocheting experience, the Ptwola Crochet Guide Ring set, also known as the best crochet guide ring for finger. This product is designed to enhance your crochet projects by providing extra control, comfort, and speed when working with yarn. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, these rings will make your craft feel more effortless and enjoyable. The Ptwola Crochet Ring set comes with 6 adjustable rings made of high-quality zinc alloy. These rings are perfect for guiding yarn smoothly through your fingers, ensuring a tight and controlled tension as you crochet. What makes this product stand out is its adjustable design. You can easily modify the size of the ring to fit any finger securely, so it won't slide off during your crocheting sessions. Whether you're working on a small project like a scarf or something larger, these rings will help you maintain a steady flow and keep your yarn in place. What makes these rings so special is not just their functionality but also their cute, cat-inspired design. Available in 4 stylish colors, silver, gold, rose gold, and black, these rings not only serve a practical purpose but also add a little fun and flair to your crafting. You can even wear them as finger decorations when you're not crocheting. The unique cat ear design is both charming and playful, making it a delightful addition to your crochet toolkit. The rings are designed to stabilize the yarn, so you can focus on your stitches rather than worrying about keeping the yarn in place. With these crochet rings, you'll notice how much quicker and smoother your projects will come together. Plus, the durable material ensures that these rings will last through many crochet sessions without losing their shape or functionality. Inside the package, you'll find 6 rings, which means you'll have more than enough for multiple projects. The generous quantity ensures that you won't have to worry about running out or losing one. These rings are indispensable for any crochet lover, making them a must-have accessory for anyone serious about knitting or crocheting. The Ptwola Crochet Guide Rings are perfect for anyone who loves to crochet, whether you're making hats, scarves, blankets, or anything in between. So if you're looking to elevate your crochet game and make your projects easier and more enjoyable, this set is the ideal tool to have on hand. Don't miss out on this game-changing crochet accessory. Grab your set today and see the difference it can make in your crocheting journey. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on the best crafting tools out there.